Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to easily link your PayPal account to your Gcash. First up, open your Gcash app on your mobile, and here we have two options. We can go to Cash In button at the top right, and here basically go to Global Banks and Partners and select PayPal. Or the second option here is by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner and tap on My Link Accounts. And here, as you can see, you can link your accounts, your Gcash card, American Express, PayPal, Payoneer, GCredit, BPI, or Union Bank. So for example, I'm going to select the PayPal because I'm going to connect PayPal to my Gcash. And here, you just have to enter your PayPal email address. And once done, tap on the link button at the bottom. Now here, as you can see on this page, you have to link your account with PayPal. So click authorize to grant G Exchange permission to your PayPal account. So basically tap on the authorize button at the bottom left. And finally, you can now enter your email or mobile number on PayPal and then tap on next. And then here, just need to enter your password and then tap on the login button. And once you tap on the login button here, you'll find this next page. As you can see right here, thank you for linking your account. And then you just have to tap on close and continue. And you'll find this page saying that your PayPal account linking complete. So that's it. That's how you basically link your PayPal with your Gcash account. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.